The installation of self-adhesive smart film. Preparation of smart film. Take out the self-adhesive smart film from the package carefully. Put the dust cloth to a dust-free open space. Unroll the smart film and lay it flat. Preparation of glass. Check the glass and make sure if there are adhesive strips and any other obstacle on the edge of the glass. If there are adhesive strips, remove or cut off them around the glass. Caution: don't scratch the glass when you remove the strips. Spray clean water or water with detergent on the glass. Clean the glass with a blade. Make sure there's no dust or stain on the surface. Wipe the water off the surface of glass. Spray some water-free alcohol on the surface of the glass or use a clean cloth-contained alcohol to wipe the surface of glass and the frame. Make sure that the glass surface is clean and free of water. Film installation. Pick up the right film. Confirm the film size according to the size of glass. Take the film and peel off the protective liner for 5 cm. Align the film with glass and press the film on the glass slowly. Press the film to the surface of glass a few times slowly with a squeezer. Caution: don't spray water or detergent solution on the glass or film during installation of smart film. Peel off the protective liner slowly for 3 to 5 cm each time and press the film with squeezer. Squeeze the film step by step and make sure there's no bubble left between the film and glass. Repeat the action continuously until the film installed. In case there's bubble or dirt between the film and glass, peel off the film from glass and remove the dirt. If the dirt is on the film adhesive side, take a knife or other tool to pick up the dirt. If the dirt is on the glass, wipe the glass with a clean cloth with alcohol. After removal of dirt, press the film on the glass and squeeze it on the glass. Caution: the self-adhesive film could be peeled off several times and the adhesive will still work. However, we don't recommend it for more than 3 times. If the self-adhesive film is too big, you can cut the film with scissor or knife to the correct size. Wipe the cutting edge with a clean cloth with water-free alcohol to avoid short-circuiting caused by rough edge. Check the installed smart film. In case the bubble or dirt spot, peel off the part and reinstall it. Wiring and sealant. The bus bars of the smart film is connected to the transformer with wires. The wire joints are wrapped with insulating tape. Use EVA hot melt sealant to fix the wires to the edges of frame and film as designed. Connect the wires to a transformer placed in a safe, dry area. Peel off the protective liner from the outside of smart film. In order to prevent water from entering the self-adhesive film from the edge, it is necessary to apply sealant on the edge. G381 silicone weatherproofing sealant is our recommended edge sealant. Final cleaning. Clean the surroundings and enjoy the smart film. For more information, please feel free to visit globalsmartglass.com. Global Smart Glass. Switch the smart glass. Switch to a new world.